score in the free throw line.
Yep.
Just gave up a
Yank it
point.
out.
They didn't have to.
So Miami leads by 7 with 7:49 left in a fourth quarter.
Tug on it.
Game 5. A game that will win will advance Miami to round 2. Sends a series back to Philadelphia for game 6 Friday night. Right here
She's
on Sun
dead.
Sports. LeBron with 8 on the shot clock. Wade from the top.
She's not dead, is she?
No, they're just breathing.
Rebound pass. Had it blocked, but he
What's
turned
wrong?
around. Well, Miami is back in that offensive quarter.
There she goes.
There you are. How you doing?
She's like, come on, seriously.
Five